Exactly what I meant to do. That's okay, just leave it right there for a second. Okay. That's a great thumbnail image right there. Hey, I did the thing. So just to give you guys an idea, this is the medium-sized bowl at this skate park, and it is noticeably taller than I am standing here. So when you see me doing stuff here, it's bigger than you think. Oh, look at that. Oh. Okay, somehow on that one, officially broke the front control arm. But hey, let's just, it's not all the way broken yet, so let's send it again one good time. I think I have parts in the truck, but let's send it one more time and see if we can break it all the way off before we fix it. Hit full fronting. Alignment is noticeably off. We're gonna do a good send in this bowl right here. This is one of those over vertical bowls. It's gonna come back at us. See what happens. Oh my gosh! I have no idea where it went. Where did my Kraton go? Hey, it still runs. It still drives. Ow. Oh, that was awesome. That lower control arm is hating life. Look at it. Barely dangling in. One more time. Yes! Yes! Oh, that is great. Oh, look at that front tire. Hating it, hating it. Beautiful. Still broken. Still gonna send it. Oh. Bad news, guys. We're looking at this here back in the van. Control arms are broken, of course. We already knew that part. Actually cracked the front diff case also. And I don't think I have everything here with me that I would need to replace both of them. Kraton is done. Boo, look at that. But hey, that was still pretty fun. Bowling Green Skate Park. This is the Roland Bland Park up in Bowling Green. It's a pretty cool place. If you're in the area and you feel like breaking some stuff, I'd recommend it. Take it easy. Thanks for watching. Always appreciate you guys.